A lot of people think transformers belong in two categories, used and new.
The crew here can rebuild it from the ground up.
We can make it even better.
Jordan Transformer remanufactures and redesigns substation class transformers, and we've been doing it almost 50 years. We also redesign and remanufacture and upgrade existing mobile substations. Remanufacturing a older, more generously built transformer has a lot of advantages over the more economically designed new transformers of today. We're really only reusing the tank and the core. All the elements of the transformer, the windings, the insulation is totally renewed with state-of-the-art materials. We use state-of-the-art design programs while we're redesigning it.
So it's basically a brand new transformer and should last the same as a new, probably longer in some of the new manufacturers.
You can get them returned quicker. They slide right back into the substation they came out of without having to change overhead lines or anything.
A lot of people think when a transformer fails, it can only go back to the ratings and the voltage combinations that it was originally designed to. Not so. There are many times where we can get more kVA capacity out of it through a number of different methods. We can also do voltage changes, and also we can do LTC retrofits. If you're not happy with the LTC from 30, 40 years ago, we can put on a brand new state-of-the-art LTC. We do have the ability to do all IEEE prescribed Class 2 testing, including impulse testing and partial discharge monitoring during the 1-hour induced test. So because of that, the Class 2 transformers that fail around the country end up here.
And one of the things that we kind of pride ourselves at Jordan Transformer is we'll take on the challenge of something that's a little odd, and we've been successful at that.
I would say if you have a challenging transformer, definitely give us a call. We've taken up pretty much everything.